Hey everyone, thanks for giving me an opportunity to express my thought about today's motion, which is teenage depression. It is a common medical illness among the teenagers, but it is a serious medical emergency requiring immediate medical attention, and they have to attend a psychologist or psychiatrist. Otherwise it can be fatal for teenagers, because in our country 1 out of 2 teenagers are facing depression in their childhood. We have to encourage parents to observe their children properly. What are they doing? If they observe any abnormality in their daily lifestyle, they have to talk with them. And there are 5 symptoms, main symptoms of teenage depression, like always feeling sadness, hopeless and loneliness. And there is a myth that depression express only sadness or loneliness, but it is not true. Sometimes depression can be masked, so parents should talk with their children, and they have to notify about their lifestyle daily basis. Otherwise they will face any problem like mental disorder, ADHD. In teenage depression, teenagers are facing, in this case they are not able to eat properly in time, or they are not able to become social, and in that case they also lose physically, because if you lose mentally you also lose physically. And in that case you can see that teenagers are become skinny, they are facing many health related problems like headache and nausea, vomiting and lack of appetite. In mental case they feel always sad, and sometimes it can be masked, but this is the main symptom. Parents should encourage them to talk with them, and parent should visit them a psychologist or psychiatrist. The psychologist can plan a CBT counseling process which called cognitive behavioral therapy. In this therapy, psychologists talk with the patients or victim and identify the problem, and they give them some solution about that. And in that case they are not prescribing any medication. But in case depression is not treated by therapy, psychiatrist prescribe some antidepressive drug to reduce the sad hormone and increase the happy hormone like dopamine, oxytocin. And people should know about the depression. It is a serious medical emergency. In that case, psychiatrist prescribe some antidepressive drug to reduce the depression. Otherwise teenagers are thinking about suicidal thought or substance abusing, like taking cigarette and consuming drugs to reduce their sadness and their loneliness. But this is the not convenient source, and suicide is not a solution to depression. They should visit a psychologist or psychiatrist to cure their disease, because it is the mental illness. It cannot be treated by someone, and it only treated by doctor or psychologist. They are professional in this case. And I request to the parents to identify the depression symptom among the teenagers. That's all.